Welcome back to Cell Pureify. In our last segment, we explored how your gut absorbs nutrients. But that's just one piece of the puzzle. Today, we're uncovering one of its most critical roles, the profound connection between your gut, your immune system, and the delicate living world within you, your microbiome. It might sound incredible, but did you know that approximately 70% of your entire immune system actually resides in your gut? That's right. Your digestive tract is the command center for your body's defense force. Think of your gut lining as the strong wall of a fortress. This barrier is your first line of defense, deciding what gets absorbed and what gets kept out. And who are the guards of this fortress? Your immune cells. They patrol this wall constantly, but they don't work alone. They are trained by the friendly bacteria within your gut. These beneficial microbes help educate your immune cells, teaching them to distinguish between friend and foe. This ensures your immune system attacks real dangers while preventing unnecessary inflammation. So, what is this internal world that trains our immune guards? It's your gut microbiome, a bustling, microscopic city populated by trillions of microorganisms. Have you ever stopped to think that you're an entire ecosystem? This community includes a vast diversity of bacteria, fungi, and viruses. In a healthy gut, the good microbes are helpful citizens. They help you digest food, synthesize essential vitamins, and produce compounds that keep your gut fortress strong. When this delicate balance is maintained, your immune responses are healthy and inflammation stays under control. But when this balance is disrupted, a condition called dysbiosis, it can lead to chronic inflammation. This disruption can be caused by many factors, including stress, a diet high in processed foods, and even a lack of sleep. This constant inflammation can weaken the fortress walls, a condition often called leaky gut, and is linked to an increased risk of illness. Conventional medicine often turns to antibiotics or immune-suppressing drugs. While these can be necessary, they often act like a broad attack on your microbiome city. They can wipe out the bad guys, but they also cause collateral damage, destroying the beneficial bacteria that are essential for your health, sometimes making the problem worse. Thankfully, nature offers a gentler approach. We can support our microbiome with probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are the good bacteria themselves. Think of them as new, helpful citizens arriving to bolster the population. Have you ever tried fermented foods? They are a fantastic source. You can find them in yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso, or in high-quality supplements. But these new citizens need food, and that's where prebiotics come in. Prebiotics are fibers that your good gut bacteria love to eat. They are the food supply for your inner ecosystem. You can find these in delicious foods like garlic, onions, bananas, asparagus, oats, and apples. By nourishing your microbiome, you're actively supporting the growth of your own beneficial microbes. These allies work in harmony with your immune system. They help strengthen the gut barrier, reduce inflammation, and outcompete harmful microbes. This helps your body fight infections more effectively and improve overall gut health. It's a way of achieving similar goals as some conventional medicines, but by working your body's natural intelligence, often without the harsh side effects. Maintaining this balance is key to your gut's ability to protect your body and promote lasting healing. In the next segment, we'll connect these ideas to your body's overall healing power and show you how Cell Pureify's natural remedies can support this all-important process.